Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $22.52. 24-hour volume, we're down 36.74%, and market cap, we're down 0.45%. So heading over to our daily chart, we are going to take a look at an area of support as in the next couple of days or so, we are going to see Ethereum Classic come down. A few factors into our forecast of taking a look at our chart is firstly our MACD indicator off to the right hand side here. We can see that the measure of the momentum from our MACD line and our signal line crossed over in a downtrend. So we can see that it had switched from a temporary green over to a red factor. And if we can see on the left hand side of my cursor, we can see that this stock RSI has also crossed over and triggered a sell opportunity here. So we can see this K line, which is our blue line, and our D line itself crossed over on a downwards trend. At the same time, we saw the momentum of our MACD indicator change. Not only that, but if we do compare the last candlestick here, this red candlestick, when we saw that crossover on our two different types of indicators, we can see this candlestick is an engulfing candlestick compared to the previous one. So it is casting a shadow compared to the green shadow, which does show a lot of aggression for the sellers, so the bear market itself. Now, one of the things I wanted to show you is our volume profile, and ultimately going to take a look at an area of support, because if we're taking a look in the next couple of days, we have the volume itself favored by the sellers. We can see multiple days where the price was increasing, and we can see that the price itself is coming back down. Again, correction in the marketplace. With our trend line at the very bottom here, we obviously can see the current trend is an uptrend supported by these lower high peaks that we can see from our candlestick wicks at the very bottom. Now, if the price does come back down, we ultimately need to see an area of support depending on how big this momentum is of our MACD indicator. Already we can see a small little histogram and then a bigger histogram followed by that on our MACD indicator. We can see the waves here. If we compare it to here where we had the similar scenario occur with this engulfing candlestick, as the price of the MACD indicator or the movement of the MACD indicator came down, it does again depend on how big these momentums or these histograms are and the volume itself. So in the next couple of days, this is going to be a primal area to see if the price is able to hold within this trend line. Let's go ahead and take out our volume profile. Our fixed range volume profile, so we're able to control from this length over to here to kind of take a look at, again, areas of supply and demand. Where is the supply going to, or where is the demand going to be at a fixed dollar price? So we can see, I'm just going to close this up here, and we can see there's a few areas, but most importantly, when we're taking a look at our retracement points of our fib retracement. So we can see already at the 50%, but even further down at the 50%, these two nodes are at $20.18 to the $19.92. Now, before that, okay, so before we even see these two nodes, it is obviously below our support line. So we want to make sure that we do see a positive reaction when the price does reach down to here, which is $21. You can see from our volume profile, these two nodes that are sticking out, we are going to be looking at these price points very, very closely here at $21.09. The reason why I say that again is that it's going to be an area of confluence, basically meaning a lot of people are going to see if the price does bounce really nicely on this area of support. So we may see the price reverse slightly, but it may show us maybe a possible false signal. So if we do see that the price bounce really nicely, it may continue this current uptrend as we've seen multiple areas where the price found support on our trend line, or depending on how fast the momentum is for Ethereum Classic, we may see a breakthrough of this current support and going into these two nodes down here at the $20 to the $19.98 price points. So that's my video here for Ethereum Classic. Just be very, very cautious in the next couple of days or so. Bear in mind that the price is still going to come back down. It's just a matter of fact of us trying to hold on to the support of this trend line. But definitely let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, but I'll see you next time.